It's Mr. Wheeler here, and let's see, we have some scissors, a rope, and a bag. So that can only mean that today we're doing one of the classics of magic, the cut and restored rope. Now, if you want to learn how to do this trick, first you have to get yourself a rope. And in fact, why don't you guys help me out with this today? We're going to practice something real quick. Take your fingers like this, stretch them out like this, and go just like that. Can you guys do that? Out, just like that. Okay, that'll come in handy later. All right, so we have our rope, right? Rope, perfect. We have a pair of scissors. Now, we aren't going to do anything fancy with this rope. We're just going to take the middle of the rope and give it a cut, just like that. Now, instead of having one rope, we now have two ropes. Ta-da! Multiplying rope. No, just kidding. It's the cut and restore rope trick. So for me to restore it, right, to restore something means to put it back the way that it was. So for that, we will need a magic bag and your fingers. Are you ready? So we show that the bag is empty. You can tell that it's a magic bag because it has a zipper here on the bottom. That's because for some reason, people don't trust magicians. It's like they think we're trying to trick you or something. I don't know. But, so our bag right here has a zipper on this side. So you can see all the way through the bag. You can see my eyeball right there, right? You can see right through the bag. There's nothing inside of that bag. Both sides, right? Hello. Right, okay. Now, we take our pieces of rope and we drop them into the bag. Oh, let's try that again. I forgot to zip up the bottom. If you don't zip up the bottom, then it doesn't work. Okay, now, we take our pieces of rope and we drop the pieces of rope right into our bag, just like this, and give it a nice little shake. Now is you guys' turn. Ready? Everybody take your hands. Some of you guys aren't doing it. Come on. Hands open. Okay, just like that. Did you guys see the magic happen? See? The bag goes like a Harry Potter trick. And look, just like that, I reach in and we pull out a fixed piece of rope. Well, I mean, technically, the magic bag fixed it with a knot, which is kind of cheating, but that's okay. That's okay. With just our hand, we can go just like this, down the rope like that, and we can pull that knot right off and make the knot vanish. And there we go. We have a completely restored piece of rope. All right, my friends. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed that trick. We'll have more for you next time in the next video. Hope you guys are staying safe. I miss you guys a lot, and man, I can't wait till we're doing this back in the library instead of this fake magic studio, fake magic stage that Mr. Wheeler has created here on the YouTubes. But until then, you guys have a wonderful day. I miss you guys. Hey, be good for your parents. Do what your teachers say so you can all get good grades and you can learn lots of stuff. And see you in the next video. Bye, my friends.